Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? Six of Wands, okay. So Leo, this is your current energy with this Six of Wands, okay. Now let's see what is your partner's current energy. Justice. Okay, so some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card, and some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Six of Wands. Okay. Okay, so Leo, this is your current energy, okay. Leo, I feel that you guys are feeling victorious about something in life, okay. Maybe you have won some kind of a battle, some kind of a conflict, okay. Perhaps you are being somebody who has put your foot down to get something in life, okay. It could be your dream job, it could be your dream career, it could be your dream person, it could be your freedom, it could be your studies, it could be your finances. So something is there which happened with you in past, so you are enjoying that victorious moment right now. You are feeling victorious that you have won such some battle which you never won, which you never felt that you'll be able to win, okay. So you feel victorious. But I feel that after even though you are feeling victorious at this point of time, but something is there from that particular thing. You are just turning your face, okay. I mean that you are ignoring something, okay. This person is not happy, okay, the way he or she should be. This person is not happy, okay. Perhaps they have won some battle, but something is there which is which is bothering them, okay. They don't want to see a specific occasion, a specific person, a specific situation. They don't want to see that. They don't want to face that, okay. And plus this person is not very much excited that hey, I have won this thing, maybe. Or perhaps they have lost so many good deeds, so many good deeds of them, or so many good karmas of theirs, okay. Plus they must have lost so many their love, I mean so many loved ones, okay. So even though they are victorious, but they are alone, there is no one to celebrate with them, okay. So that's why they are feeling little sad, okay. So that's your energy, Leo. Now let's see what is your partner's current energy. Justice card. uh, Leo, I feel that your partner is going through some kind of legal issues, okay. They must be dealing, or they must be indulged in some kind of a legal issues, okay. And whatever the case it is, I feel that they are going to be victorious at the end of the day, okay. Or or plus there must, or plus I feel that justice will surely serve them, but it will take some time, okay. And the moment they'll get justice, the that justice will bring balance into their life, okay. Or I feel that they are being somebody who is going to choose, or who is going to be, or who wants to be judgmental, okay. They just want to, they are judging people. That's what I'm seeing, that's what I'm saying, okay. Perhaps they feel that they are very much wiser, or they are very much mature enough in life that they have right to to judge other people, okay. They are being somebody who does not want to see, or who does not want to feel what other peoples are going through in life right now, okay. So they are just being very judgmental right now. They are not thinking from other people's perspective, they are being very uh, harsh with people. Okay, they just want to cut people out from their life. They just want people to obey them, to respect them, and to, to listen them. Okay, if people are going to listen them, they'll be fine, otherwise they'll cut them out. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you, Leo. How Leo people feel about them and how Leo people feel, how Leo persons feel about you. Okay. Mm-mm. 4 and 5. 4 of Cups and 5 of Pentacles. King of Cups. Okay. So Leo, you feel about your person with these two cards, 4 of Cups and 5 of Pentacles. You feel that your person is feeling sad. Your person is feeling depressed. Okay, perhaps they are feeling left out by some people. They feel that some people or certain people, or even I feel that their own family has disowned them. So they feel, I mean, that's how you feel about them, that they are being somebody who has no support. Okay, who has no one to take care of them, who has no one to look after them. And with this 5 of Pentacles, you feel that they are being very cold hearted. That's why they I mean, this could happen, that's why they are projecting this energy. Okay, and now they are kind of, I mean, perhaps I mean, since they are feeling heartbroken, they are feeling left out and cold, they are feeling ditched, betrayed by their own people. They are, being very silent right now. Okay, perhaps universe is offering them so many new opportunities, but they are feeling so depressed and sad that they don't want to see what's coming there into their life. Perhaps you have tried so many times to talk to them, perhaps you tried to converse with them, perhaps you tried to talk to them. Okay, or to convey your emotions to them, but they are being very silent towards it. They are being very uh, I mean, they have not yet opened their eyes what universe is offering them. Okay, so that's how you feel about them. On the other hand, your person feels about you, Leo, as King of Cups. Okay, so your person feels about you that this person has so many emotions within them. This person has genuine emotion, care, support, humbleness within them. This person, projects themselves as a king, but something is there which is bothering them. Okay, this person is king, and he has so many emotion, he or she, it could be anything. So the person, whoever with you are dealing right now, is posing like a king. So they feel about you, Leo, that you are somebody who has so many emotions within them for other people, but at some point of time you feel that it's okay not to show your emotions to other people, because you feel that you feel afraid. Okay, you feel afraid that the moment I'll show my emotions to the other people, they'll take advantage of it, okay, they'll start taking you for granted. Okay, so you are being very firm in your emotions. Okay, you are being very firm in your actions, that I am the king and I know how to treat people. Okay, if I have emotions within them for certain people, I'll definitely show them, but I won't over exceed anything. Okay, in terms of emotions. So that's how your person sees you, I mean, feels about you. Now let's see how you see them. 8 of Wands in reverse. Okay, 7 of Wands, 8 of Wands in reverse. So you see them as somebody who is holding them back, holding themselves back. Okay, they wanted to start something, they wanted to take certain actions about anything, about certain things in life, but they are holding back. Okay, perhaps they are not yet ready to open their eyes. Okay, so that's why they wanted to communicate with you, but they are holding back. They wanted to talk to you, but they are holding back. Okay, okay. On the other hand, your person sees you as Seven of Wands. So your person sees you as you are somebody who is a struggler, okay, who knows how to bring uh, peace and harmony in your life. Okay, they see you as someone who is very hardworking, who knows how to fight for their right, who know how to fight for their own happiness. Okay, who know how to choose the best. Okay, so they feel that you are somebody who is, very um, strong minded person. Okay, they see you as someone who knows what they want in life, okay, what they deserve in life. Okay, now let's see, Leo, how you see this relationship and how they see this relationship. Five of swords and Queen of Cups. Okay, Queen and King. Oh my God. So you see this relationship as Five of Swords and Queen of Cups. You see that this relationship can give you immense emotions, immense affection, attachment, okay, care. But at some point of time, you feel that, okay, I can't, maybe, okay, perhaps this person does not want me. Okay, with the Five of Swords, sometimes you feel that, oh God, I have to given up, or I have given up in this relationship because my person is not seeing my efforts, because my person is not ready to talk to me. Okay, they are not taking any action towards me. Okay, so sometimes you feel, even though you are a warrior, okay, I told you you are a warrior, but at some point of time in life you feel that it's okay, if they are not ready to take what I'm going to offer them, if they are not ready to talk to me, I'll be silent, I'll move on quietly. Okay, I won't say a word to them, I'll move out. Okay, plus on the other hand, you see this relationship as something, as a very precious thing for you. Okay, you see this relationship as something very close to your heart. Okay, so you see them, this person has so many emotions for you. Okay, they have genuine care and affection for you. They You feel that they are the one who can nurture this relationship. They have that feminine qualities within them. Okay, so you feel that this person can give you a lot of happiness, but since they are, being very silent, so you are kind of confused, what should I do, whether, I mean, should I stay or not? So sometimes at some point of time you feel that I should give up now, I can't do, or I can't stretch this thing anymore. Or at some point of time with this Queen of Cups, you feel that it's okay, I mean, if they are not talking to me right now, there must be some obstacle, there must be some problem within their own life. Okay, so I should wait. Okay, so that's how you see this relationship. On the other hand, your person sees this relationship as what they, I mean, they feel that this relationship is something which, for, I mean, for this relationship they have, planned within their heart and mind that, okay, if I have to leave certain people in my life for this relationship, I can do that. Okay, I'll be happily do that. Okay, perhaps they had so many options in their life. Okay, perhaps they have so many options in their life in terms of relationship and emotions or love, but they have tried and tested every relationship, every emotion. Now they are kind of done with all of these emotions, all of these fake emotions. Now they are just, taking their own time to come forward and talk to you. Okay, perhaps this is the reason they are being very silent right now. Okay, there is a delay from communication from their side. So perhaps they have seen so many bad, you know relationships in their life. Now they want some me time. Okay, they want some time to heal themselves, only then they'll be able to come forward and talk to you. Okay, so that's how they see this relationship. Now let's see, okay, what is going to be the future potential. Oh, Nine of Swords. I feel that they are not going to talk to you in future as well for some time, okay? So you will be feeling little anxious. That's why you are feeling sad, because your person is not talking to you, because your person is not taking any efforts in this relationship. Okay, so with this Nine of Swords, I feel that you are going to be anxious for a little more, okay, in future as well. Okay. You need to be very much independent, you need to be more strong in future, okay? You have to work on your finances, you have to work on your materialistic growth, your growth in terms of career or finances in future, okay? Or perhaps you are, you will be the someone who has everything in life, but at the end of the day you feel alone, you feel depressed, you feel anxious, you feel worried, okay? You are the one who does not want to be alone, okay? Who is missing your person very much, who want your person really badly, okay? So yeah, so I'm not seeing any kind of communication, any kind of reunion in your relationship in coming future as of now, but we'll see what happen in next 10 days. Okay. Okay. So Leo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Six of Wands, this Eight of Wands in reverse, okay, with this Seven of Wands, okay. Some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Four of Cups, um, Queen of Cups, King of Cups, and Eight of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Five of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Nine of Swords, Five of Swords, and yeah. Okay, so Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.